Hi guys, Monday 23rd of January 2017, sorry, slip there. I'm going to try and keep this one quick, as I always do, but I don't know if you can hear it, I'm feeling pretty rough at the moment actually. Um, yeah, just that time of the year and that's what happens to me. So anyway, let's just have a quick look at what's been going on. I've got the first weekly close of 2017 where something's actually happened. I've actually managed to lose myself 0.28% so far on the whole fund. And that was this week. That's for trades which closed back out. We'll have a look at that. I've still got trades running from last year, 2016 Q4. So this equity curve is still there for that. We'll go into that a bit more. And this is it for these two trades so far this year. So it's a great start with a line going straight down. Yeah, I mean it's very small, and let's hope, let's remain positive and do our thing, and it will all be should all be good. So what's actually closed? Well, nothing on the stuff from last year, but we have had two things shut on the on my new account. So USD CAD. Let me see if I can remember what happened on here, and we will go and have a look at the trade. Boom, 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 boom. What's actually going on here? Yeah, okay, so it's a short trade. So the idea was it broke resistance, came back, shorted it again, didn't work. So I lost a bit of money there. So that was just that trade. And then Euro Aussie looked like it was shaping up to get long. And I got in a part of that and just got stopped out really. So nothing really spectacular. Now what I am really happy with though is my risk management on it, because I've lost 0.16% there, 0.12% there, thus giving us the 0.28%. So quite frankly, I'll take losses like that all day long. In fact, I enjoy taking losses like that. When I actually see it come up as I've lost 0.12%, I'm like, yeah, that's wicked. That is sick. In fact, I'm actually getting happy about it now. Come on, let's not do that. Excuse me, my cold. So anyway, that's all that's going on there then. Yeah, so what else is going on? Well, let's have a look at my open trade reviews, my open trades rather. So I've still got GBP Aussie dollar running from last quarter. So let's just get that out quickly. GBP Aussie dollar. That looks like it's probably about to stop out, but I got on short here, got on short here, and it's run a little bit. Annoying. I don't know if this is annoying or not. Actually, I had limit orders here to close out half the position, exactly at that 1.6, and it never got there. But then, in fairness, as soon as I saw the trade, it got moved down that way, I took the limit off anyway because I wanted it to run. Reason being, sorry, cold was really killing me. Reason being is that we're in this massive downtrend here. So when I was looking at it before last week, when I took the stop off, this is what we had. So it's down, it's up, it's down. Um, Excuse me, it's down, comes back, and I just thought, when you look at it like here, down on this area here, you just think that's going to carry on, right? And it did. It got down to this, so I was seeing red here. So I just thought it would probably. So I'm just looking at it in a bit more detail. Probably would go through there, but actually, what's happened is it's retraced, and I don't know, maybe the market's now moving sideways, but whatever's happening on the shorter time frame, it's coming against me. So I'll probably get stopped out of there for a small profit, which is cool. So that was GBP Aussie. This all happened, by the way, with the Brexit stuff going on. So that was that. Um, yeah. Cool, right? US 30. So what's that doing? That's been moving sideways for ages. So I had, in true to my kind of form, let's get this on a resolution that's kind of reasonable. So I got short here ages ago. I've been talking about this one ages ago. And then earlier this week, what day is that? That is 19th, which is that Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. I just make it up as I go along. On Thursday, Thursday it clipped in my next order here, right at the bottom, obviously, and pulled back, and now we're back at these averages. Um, and yeah, I'm hopeful. I want it to move down, whatever. So I'm just moving my stops along with this. I'm not too over. I'm not over leveraged or anything. I've got 43 quid I can lose there. and £6 there. So that's just, just shy of 50 quid, 10 grand account, 0.5%. Apart from anything else, doing the maths on a 10 grand account is so easy. So if anyone ever wants to go and trade one, go for it. Obviously, then the next logical step is to jump to 100 grand because it keeps the maths easy. I'll just work on that one. So anyway, that's doing that. What else do we say I had? Oh yeah, the only other trade I've got is Kajapi, which is all kind of mirroring the US 30 at the moment. And yeah, this is running fairly well. So I had a similar thing going on, except for I got on a bit later. So I got one position, two positions, and this is running over. And my aim is to get this to be as break even as soon as I can, and then let it move downwards. Now I have got limits on it here, because that is kind of in line with if I come out to like a monthly, even the monthly, you can see it quite clearly on the monthly. You see we've got some support around here, about there-ish. So I'm hoping it gets, Virgil tells me off for that one. I want it to go down there, that's the plan. Of course it might not get there. Of course it might, it could stall around here. It could also, it's got a little bit of minimal resistance to get support to get through here, but it doesn't look too bad. So if that comes in, that's 97 quid, and that's 80 quid. So let's call it a 1.7% trade off of risk that I've never had over 0.5, I don't think. I'm managing my risk really tightly at the moment. I had such a bad year last year. Well, bad year. The market, yeah, the result was bad last year. Markets didn't play in my favour, because they weren't trending, basically. So I'm just pulling in the risk as much as I can, basically. So I'm really trying not to expose ever over 0.5 at the moment, personally, just until I get a few more under my belt, because I've still been on a big losing streak. So after a while, I'll start to up that a bit, assuming that getting out of this kind of drawdown. So that's that. I probably will leave these like this. There is a bit of me that says, well, let's let it run. If I do, I will offload probably half the position and let the other bit run. And I know you should always have a plan going into a trade before you start thinking like this. So I am almost breaking my own rules there. But yeah, c'est la vie. I do like putting limits on. It's a habit I've got into now. I put quite ambitious limits on, even if I am expecting it to run quite often. Just in case for some God knows reason you get like a massive spike and then it flips back, particularly on the equities, that kind of thing. Because you might just get lucky and clip it and then it spikes all the way back. So that's that. So that's Kajapi. What are we doing on time here? I'm up to 8 minutes. Okay, this might actually be reasonable, this one. I haven't got much else to report. The Jappy is looking a bit more bullish. So there are shorts on. I was looking at this short on a 2 hour. This was a little bit ago. So yeah, okay. I was looking at a short about here. I had it all set up actually, so I would be doing all right there. But I'm already short against the buying the Jappy with this. So I thought, yeah, I'll leave that. But it does look like a reasonable trade. It's, as I say, it's already moving though. So anyone watching this probably a bit late to get into it. How much have I missed out on there by any chance? I would have got in probably there. So only about 20 pips. But then at the same time, yeah, this has moved quite a bit as well. So yeah, key on that is one of the things I've got on written on my wall up here is that I don't. I did get into not massive bother, but I did find myself over trading the same, not the same pairs, but the same currencies across pairs, and it's something I want to stop. So that is that really. What else can we talk about? New stuff coming up. So we got this biggie here, which I've asterisked 9:30 tomorrow morning, big Tuesday. We're doing something to do with Brexit, which will no doubt be exciting. We've obviously had Trump got in his inauguration. I can't even say the word. he's now in charge of the world. Whatever you make of that is great. Um, so yeah, the markets could be very interesting this year. Um, yeah, that's probably about it. We'll have a quick look at silver just because I like silver. What's silver doing? Silver. Oh, sorry, we're on 2 hour here. So daily, it's been retracing, but attempting to potentially break through the $17 value. I've been trying to work out if I can get a trade out of this. I was tempted to do a trade a bit like this. So we did get a daily close above that 17, and I was thinking, well, if it comes back down to 17, it might be an earth order with a stop there. But at the same time, it's still attacking the 17 and hasn't really got through the higher highs that were there before. It certainly hasn't closed above them. So I don't know how I might play this. If it does come through, maybe it would do something like that, and then maybe come back down to about the 17. If it does do that, I will probably be buying it with a similar stop as I've drawn there to go long. I like silver though. I mean, I know not everyone likes to trade it. So there's silver, and the reason I'm doing that is because I look at this as in it's actually reached its low and it's broken out. It's reversed, and this is a pullback off into a bigger trend. That's how I see it. But I mean, who knows, right? I mean, who knows? I'm seeing this as this is a signal that's bottomed out on the monthly here. It's gone. It's pulled back. I mean, now, yeah, actually, that's pretty neat. If you look at that, that's quite bullish. That's January's looking really bullish. So, I mean, if you look at it like that, we have got potential for long there. So, yeah, we'll just see, though. I'm not in any hurry to get involved in that. I'm not in any hurry to get involved in any trades, really. So that's doing that. I've also, what else do I usually look at? The US, sorry, the UK. Oh, I've done the US 30. Come on, keep going short, keep going short. It's bloody not there now, is it? UK 100 is what I was going for. Yeah, so we had the Theresa May conversation about Brexit. It's gone, I didn't short it, but I'm massively short it in various other instruments, which we won't go into because they're a bit naughty, some of them. Um, but yeah, so that's gone short. I was tempted to short it about here actually on the 2 hour. I didn't know, wussed out. Would have been a good trade, but as I say, I've already got how are we doing for time? I've already got equity shorts on, so um, I'm already exposed that way. Anyway, that's that for now. Happy New Year again. Love to hear from you. How's your trading going so far this year? Hope it's all right. I'm really sorry about the cold, but I thought I'd do a video anyway. I'm literally dying. Well, not literally. It's probably man flu, isn't it? But yeah, it's not ideal, so it's been a bit of a struggle doing this. But I thought you might enjoy it. So have fun. Keep having fun. Have a happy life. Live the dream. Love you all.